Can anybody guess what this stuff is and what I'm going to use it for? This is mullein that I picked out of my garden about 2 weeks ago, and it's been drying. It's just about ready. So how am I going to use it and what am I going to use it for? Well, let's take a look and see what our book says. Here's the page that talks about mullein. As you can see at the top, it says it alleviates respiratory issues and soothes skin irritants. I'm going to be using it for the respiratory. And also, page will show you regions it grows in, ancient uses, modern research, side effects, parts used, dosing, which is super important because many books I've seen doesn't talk about the dosing. So it's great to have this in one area. And it also talks about some other herbs that'll be good to mix it. So you may also notice that this looks different. Well, this is a first year plant. The plants live for 2 years. First year, they just put out leaves. Second year, they'll put out leaves at the bottom as well as the stalks. And the stalks will have the seed pods in there, and they'll also have the flowers. So this is an amazing, amazing plant for respiratory issues. You can make teas out of it, and you can even smoke it, and you can make tinctures. But what I'm going to do is you can see it's got really fine hairs. And some people say that those hairs kind of irritate them if they put it just straight into a tea. So you've really got to use a very thin filter so you can filter out these little hairs. What I do is I actually just put it in my coffee maker with a coffee filter. I add it to my coffee. Other thing you can do is you can smoke it. So, and as you can see from the ancient uses and modern research, it backs that and supports that. So great book if you're into herbalism and you want something that's quick, handy, and fast and gives you some dosage stuff. I would recommend Ancient Remedies Revised. I just picked it up off a TikTok shop, and so can you.